Alright, so we are told, according to a rule of thumb, each 5 seconds between a lightning flash and the following thunder gives the distance to the flash in miles. Part A asks, assuming the flash of the light arrives in essentially no time at all, estimate the speed of sound in meters per second from this rule. So for this, we're going to want to do some dimensional analysis. So let's start out with the thunder travels 1 mile in 5 seconds. So now we want to multiply this by 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Then you can multiply by 12 inches in 1 foot. And multiply that by 2.54 centimeters for every inch. And then we can multiply that by 1 meter for 100 centimeters. And now we multiply this out. We get 5,280 times 12 times 2.54 times 1. Then we divide that by 5 times 100. So this gives us 321.9 meters per second. Now, part B asks us, what would be the rule for kilometers? So for this, it's a pretty simple calculation, because right now we have 321 meters for 1 second. All we have to do to convert this to kilometers per second is to multiply by 1 kilometer for every 1,000 meters. So these cancel out. That leaves us with 321 divided by 1,000. That gives us 0.321 kilometers per second.